In this video, I have a fun-filled, epic adventure of a day ahead of me, but really I just have to do some errands and some maintenance on this car. I have to change the oil and do some other things. I just changed the oil on the BMW a couple weeks ago and it was an absolute nightmare. More on that a little bit later in the video. And then also, if you look at the dashboard here, the low tire pressure light is on, and last I checked all the tires were properly inflated, so I'm gonna get a more accurate tool to get a better reading on the tires and determine if they're actually low or if it's just a faulty sensor. So let's do it. So first let's check this tire pressure really quick, and just so you know, pretty much every car out there, the tire pressure is going to be located right here on the inside of the door. The recommended pressure, it's saying 35 psi for both the front and the rear. So let's check these with my handy dandy new tool that I just bought from Walmart for like 12 bucks or whatever. So we're reading 29.5 for this rear, 30.5 for this front one, 30, and 30. So all four were about 5 psi low. Once I change the oil, I'm going to run up to the gas station, get all these properly inflated. Now, just in case you're kind of new to cars or new to maintenance, it is very normal for the tires to lose pressure as the temperature outside starts to get colder. When we got these wheels and tires installed, it was about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Today it's about 40, so huge drop in temperature that's causing them to be low. So very nice to have the TPMS sensors to kind of give you that reminder to fill them up. But one last thing, Cosmos Racing, the people that make the wheels, they came across my videos. They were really impressed with what they saw, so we might work together on something in the future, but for right now, they want to give you guys, my subscribers, 5% off your next purchase of their wheels. Very cool. I know we're kind of going into winter, but in case maybe you wanted to pick up like a winter set of wheels, they're 17 by 8 inch wheels, which is what these are actually pretty affordable. So I'll leave a link down below. You can use my discount code, get 5% off. But anyway, let's change the oil. Beginning of the video, I was talking about how I had a little oil mishap with the BMW. It wasn't really a big deal, more just like a headache, kind of nuisance type thing. So basically, I ordered oil filters for both of these cars from Amazon, just like I always do, but my package ended up getting lost in the mail, so I figured, oh, I need to get this over with before it's cold. I'll just run up to AutoZone and get myself an oil filter. They ended up not having the brand that I normally use, so I had to get a different brand, and of course it ended up being the wrong size. and on the BMW you kind of have to drain the oil out of the car first before you take the filter out. So by the time I realized that it was the wrong one, I had already drained my oil into this old dirty bucket. So I couldn't put the old oil back in the car. It was like already contaminated. I had no way to get back to the store to exchange the filter, and what should have been like a 10-minute job ended up being like a 2-hour ordeal. So just a little life hack for you guys. After you determine that you have the right filter, just rip off the top of the lid that's got the model number on it, and then you can even, if you want to, write the oil specification for your car with a marker like that. Just keep that in your glove box. That way if you ever have to go to the store to buy one of these, you know exactly what one to get. So that's my little tip for the day. The oil change is complete. I just did a really quick wash here in the driveway so the car is looking nice and clean. Next stop is going to be topping off the air in the tires. Then I'm going to take a little trip up north to a city called Port Huron, Michigan. It's maybe an hour north of here, and I'm going to try to get an end of season fall photo shoot while we still have these beautiful colors with all the leaves and stuff. It's going to be awesome, so let's do it. 75 cents for air, isn't that messed up? Alright, nice. We got the tires at the proper level. Got that light to go away. Awesome. So now that all of that stuff is taken care of, last stop is going to be Port Huron for this photo shoot. Now like I said before, it's about an hour drive, but I only have about 2 hours until sunset, so hopefully we make it. Let's go. Actually having pretty good luck today, because usually when I come here, like all of these parking spaces will be taken, and I'll like make this whole trip here and I can't even get the shot that I want, but it's looking pretty good right now actually. Well, I was about to say today was a pretty good day, but on my way back from Port Huron, that low pressure light came on again. I just checked all 4 tires. All 4 of them were reading precisely 35 psi, so I'm thinking it's a bad sensor. Maybe you guys can help me out in the comments, but I'll probably have to take this to the tire shop sometime this week. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and as always, just give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this format of content, just kind of hanging out, chilling, working on cars, some photography stuff, and maybe leave a comment and let me know what other types of content you might like to see in the future. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.